Welcome to this Easy Fix It news channel. And there's an interesting story that popped up today about a security breach that would impact major corporations. Among these companies, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, and many others, Google also. It has to do with a company that's called Nitro, which is a provider of cloud services and of PDF enterprise services. And that is interesting because hackers have said that they have been able to breach that company and is selling a 1 terabyte file of data from apparently very sensitive information about all the big companies for $80,000. Now, this is interesting to see where and how this impacts, first of all, the users. What is the impact for everybody? Are there some information in there that even us are kind of affected? We're not really sure yet. It started out with a warning that they gave. They said that there was a minor breach, but not to be worried, that it wasn't that big of a problem. And that information was sent to Citigroup. And finally, Citibank, got this on Friday. But over the weekend, it seems that more and more of the information is showing that this might be a major breach and that a lot of very sensitive corporate information could be in there. Unfortunately, we don't really know the extent of the information and the valid information that is in here, but we are trying to see and find more. So as the week goes by and the days go by, as we get more information, we'll try to update this news item. But this is kind of a very interesting one about a data breach that is and could have major impacts. And this would be one of the major data breach, not just for this year, but in recent times. So we'll keep an eye on that, and if anything has to be done or anything impacts users, we'll actually let you know. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.